How to download and install Facebook application on Android device. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're wondering how you can install Facebook application on your device and start using it, today I'm going to help you by today I'm going to teach you simple steps to do so. First, you need to have the Play Store or App Store according to your device, whether it's Android or iPhone. If you're using Android, go to Google Play Store, then simply tap on the search bar and search for Facebook application. Now, you might also search for Facebook Lite application or Facebook application or Facebook Messenger application according to your preference. You'll get the install option highlighted in blue color. Go ahead and tap on it in order to install it fully on your device. Wait for a few seconds for the installment, and after it has been installed, tap on open. This will instantly open your Facebook application and you'll be taken to the home page or the login portal. Go ahead, log into your account by entering the correct one with your password, username, email address, phone number, and your password. If you do not have an account yet, you can tap on this create new account option and go ahead and create an account on Facebook and start using it. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.